Why are we doing this? Number one is that we need to collect organic waste. It's a huge problem all over Europe and all over the world. And to collect organic waste in this kind of bags, make it easy and hygienic, and it allows it to go to composting, where the bags and the food waste go back to nature. And methane gases is one of the big challenges in Europe and all over the world, and organic waste is one of the key sources to create methane gases, which is very negative for global warming. So the European Union have very strict rules. They have very clear targets to collect as much as possible of organic waste, either to biogas plants or to traditional composting. Latvia is one of the countries who is behind this, let's say, targets, and Latvia also need to do much more collection of organic waste, which I think it's a part of their program going forward. But using these bags, for example, for shopping, as a traditional shopping bag, then use it again to collect organic waste in a basket, really makes sense. It's a closed loop and it goes back to soil. We don't have any problems to make it as strong as the bags you are using today. And I can give you a good example. Italy is the leading country today to use this kind of bags. So all retailers, all supermarkets in Italy is only using certified compostable bags. People are using them again to collect their organic waste, and then it's collected by waste management companies and brought to composting. So in Italy today, you don't find any traditional plastic bags anymore. It's gone, it's forbidden. There is no doubt that these kind of materials are more expensive than petrochemical products like traditional polyethylene plastic. So you are talking about at least 2.5 to 3 times the price. Yes, price is an issue, but having said that, these prices has gone down a lot from the beginning 30 years ago, and the volumes has gone up quite a lot. So we still believe it's possible to make it cheaper. But we think more important is that the governments around in the world, they are putting high taxes on traditional plastics. And this we see many places. One good example again is Italy, where they totally banned, for example, shopping bags from traditional plastic. It needs support, it needs some heavy decisions from, for example, here in Europe, from the European Union, but also locally. It needs support. We have big issues with our oceans, which is polluted with thousands of metric tons of polyethylene plastic, which will be there forever. So we really hope that this is actually just a start, because still, even if it's starting to be, let's say, a sustainable business, it's very, very small compared with the traditional plastic industry. So we strongly believe it has a good future.